Watch this before you buy the 2023 Toyota Supra 3.0 model. Are you a big fan of cars? Or do you like cars, especially luxurious sports cars, which you could see in racing games? Then you must have heard once in your life about the Toyota Supra. Toyota Supra has a great long history with itself. And what is the major news with Toyota Supra? Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. We are back with some insane news again. So if you're new here, please hit that bell icon and subscribe to the channel by which you get the notifications regularly. Stay tuned to know more about it and comment your thoughts down below. Toyota has always been a leading top star in the field of cars. We have seen multiple cars on the roads with the Toyota brand name, and the wait for the most powerful car on Toyota's list is coming back in 2023 with minor changes, preserving a new special system that promises to further improve efficiency. Yes, the wait is over, and you could finally see a new Supra version soon. Toyota released details about the new Supra handset, but that is not the end of the 2023 major update. Supra gets steering and suspension tweaks, and there is also a limited A91 MT edition available too. Yes, a special matte white edition will be equipped with a handheld option and a few additional features such as a cognac leather-trimmed interior and wireless charging. Toyota Supra continues to share the stadium with powertrains and its unexpected twin, the BMW Z4 convertible. Toyota driving competition with a variety of sports cars. Depending on what you want, you can also enjoy the Mazda MX-5, Miata RF, Porsche 718 Cayman, Honda Civic Type R, or Ford Mustang GT. The revitalization of the Supra will probably not see much change in style, as the Supra is already one of the most promising cars on the road. We could see a few changes, such as the interior fascia, but we could expect it to be much smaller. The Supra is currently available with two compatible engines of the related BMW Z4. The basic models are fitted with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with 255 horsepower and 295 pound-foot of torque, while the upper trim gets a 3.0-liter turbocharged straight six with 382 horsepower and a torque 368 pound-foot. Toyota has confirmed that the 3.0-liter models will be available with replacements, but the cylinder ones will have 8 automatic transmission gears that equip all current Supras. The 6-speed manual transmissions only available at Supras equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged i6 engine. The basic models of 3.0, 3.0 Premium, and A91 MT can be found with the manual, and this one is specially offered with a new 6-speed manual rod. Toyota's automatic transmission has automatic rev matching, which you can turn off if you like, and the 6-speed gearbox has a shorter final capacity than the 8-speed automatic transmission to deliver lower power. As before, the 3.0-liter engine delivers 382 horsepower and 367 pounds of torque. Limited to 500 units, the A91 MT edition will feature cognac leather seats, an Alcantara shift knob, and a JBL 12-speaker audio system. Available only with a manual gearbox, the A91 models are available in white matte or CU later gray, yes really, and ride on 19-inch different wheels. No matter how much electricity it has, the 3.0 Supras have replaced the air conditioning Toyota they claim offers a luxury ride and balance. Toyota has changed the steering wheel, and all 3.0-liter models come out naturally and have a sporty rear variant. We will need to get one out of the way to see if the changes result in some meaningful improvements. Toyota will continue to supply Supra with the 2.0-liter turbo i4 engine with 255 horsepower and 295 pound torque. Unfortunately, this engine's only compatible with an 8-speed automatic gearbox and is not available with most advanced 3.0-liter models, including heated seats, adaptive suspension, sport differential, and more. The Supra is a sports car, but it still gets a good network of common safety features. These include automatic emergency braking that can detect pedestrians, automatic high beams, rain wipers, and lane keep assist. Currently, there is a single package of options available in every line that adds adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and blind spot monitoring with back traffic alerts. Why does the Toyota Supra 3.0 seem to be such a big deal? Because BMW currently does not offer the B58 inline 6, a variant that powers the 6-cylinder Supras with manual transmission in the US. We believe that Toyota, if it claims to be in big trouble to engineer those gear cars, the engine will produce the same output as it does when paired with 8 automatic gears, but the manual gets a shorter driving speed, 3.46 compared to 3.15 for a car. It also has a reset function that can be turned off. The stick will be offered in 3.0 and 3.0 premium models, as well as a new special system called A91MT. Only 500 units of this handmade cutting level will be provided in the US and will come in matte white or gray. It is a brown leather interior that is not found in another Supra. It comes with an Alcantara shift knob, red brake caliper, red badging, red strut tower braces, and 19-inch wheels. Other modified car modifications include recalibrated traction control and stability-controlled programming, and a redesigned center console that moves the infotainment controller knob and other buttons to accommodate the manual shifter. Toyota claims the placement of the shift knob is intended to provide adequate clearance between the shifter and the central stack. All 2023 Supras will receive an updated shock-absorbing and power steering system, as well as a new Toyota feature called Hairpin Plus. Yes, hairpin sounds weird, isn't it? But it is specially designed for curling hairpins and said to allow for a significant difference in wheel rotation between left and right rear wheels. Toyota's not yet said how much it will cost for the 2023 Supra with a handheld device, but has indicated that they may pay the price by calling the stick an option. We will have to keep the final decision until we can replace the Supra gearbox, but we feel we have to pay more. Toyota Supra also holds a long history of its own. In its 24-year production life, Supra went from being a major sports tourist and glamorous to a clean, uncluttered sports car that we've known since the 1990s. A clear series runs through each generation of Supra, two key ingredients that define our iconic sports car and can be traced back to 2000 GT. Smooth 6-cylinder engine, responsive front engine, rear engine drive preparation for pure driving feel. Supra, a Latin word meaning above or passing, and rightfully so, with such a popular car, the name of Toyota's most famous sports car. Today, more than 16 years after its completion, Supra still enjoys a good status among sports car fans. From a prominent role in the original film Fast and Furious, to the selection of Gran Turismo game wheels racing, and the generation of enthusiastic tunes and drifters, Supra has strengthened its place in popular culture and encouraged young and old alike throughout the world. Now let's talk about the date of production and release of the car, as you've been waiting for a long time. Well, the price of the updated Supra plan will be available in the coming months. Both the Supra's manual and automatic 2023 models will arrive at Toyota dealers later this year. Toyota's not given us a release date or Supra prices for 2023, but apparently has an official Supra report scheduled for April 28th. We also have heard about the rumors that production will begin in the 2023 models in July, with retailers receiving their first models in October, but that's not yet been confirmed. We expect prices to remain the same, in line with current versions. The 2022 Supra starts at $44,315, which includes the destination of the 2.0 model, and starts at $64,305 for the A910CF edition. The new matte white edition model will probably be around $4,000 to $5,000 more than the 3.0 premium model, currently sitting at $55,815. Supra's in a very interesting category, with many competitors of different characters and styles. Competitively speaking is the BMW Z4, which is highly shared with it. However, the Z4 is above the Grand Tourer and below the sports car. Nearby competitors include the Porsche 718 Cayman, Chevrolet Corvette, and the Jaguar F-Type. Supra will be a new and interesting chapter in the name of racing cars, as players always increase their levels in the game, in the same way it is seen for the automakers, as they also seem to level up their games with all these new features. We will continue to see more of it in the near future. That's all for today's video, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you want more content like this, click that bell icon for the most recent updates, and I'll see you in the next one.